Hey guys, today let's learn how to disable autoplay on Apple Music. So if you guys are wondering if you can disable autoplay on your Apple Music icon, in order for us to do this, you need to go ahead and firstly launch the Apple Music application. Now from here, I want you to go ahead and click on your mini player. So we do have our mini player right here, and it is going to show me the now playing music that I have. And as of now, I don't really have any music playing right now. But in order for us to turn off the autoplay feature, all we need to do is to tap on the autoplay button to essentially turn it off. Now, as you would notice, I don't have any music playing as of the current moment, but the autoplay symbol on Apple Music should actually look like this. So over here is what you guys should basically tap on to turn off your autoplay feature. As you would see, all we need to do is just tap on this symbol to automatically turn it off. Now, essentially, that is all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and take care.